Tucker Klein, did you get paint on your tail? Did you get some paint on your tail? Let me see. Let me see. Did you get some paint on your tail? Oh, I think you did. I think you got some paint on your tail. How'd you do that? How did you get paint on your tail? How'd you get paint on your tail? Oh, you are a naughty dog. You are a naughty dog. Let me see your tail. Let me see it. Oh my. Oh my. That's a lot of paint, Tucker. That's a lot of paint. You're in big trouble. Can you say you're sorry?
My mom and I always
say you're sorry.
together, and I think it's the perfect meal.
Say you're sorry. Speak. I'll take it.